Yeah,
That's better.
that's better.
Still doesn't look like you're moving. What if I stand like this? Nope. Still looks like a frozen statue. How about this then? There must be something in here about drawing moving pictures, futurism, and movement. Look, Dada, look! This is what I was trying to do. It's called Dynamism of a Doll released by giacomo balla, painted in 1912. Wow. Everything is moving in there. The feet and the doll. So all I have to do is draw you with lots of arms and it'll look like you're moving.
Good, Eddie. Huh? Eddie, look!
Come on, Dolce, come along. Wow.
A, B, C. Thunder again. 1, 2, 3. What was that?
I didn't mean to say what I said.
I thought I asked where we were.
And I'm just saying, I don't know.
I heard some wonderful new poetry. Are you poets? Poets? No. I'm the dog, and she's Maddie.
And you must be
Giacomo Balla.
Yes, Giacomo Balla, that's me. And you must be here for the Futurista banquet. Oh, we have the most delightful menu. Imagination appetizers, solar soup, model meat, and cubist garden. Sounds terrific.
Cubist garden? What's that?
Oh, that's a fun name for the salad.
And what is a futurist banquet?
It's a banquet of futurist artists with musicians, painters, designers, all gathering to celebrate the changing world. The automobile, electricity, photography. It's all so new, so exciting.
Wow. What's that?
What's that?
That is part of futurist art. The abstract musical rhythm of machines and the roaring speed of motor cars. Turn it in.
Sounds
fun.
Look,
Dominic.
Here, try it on.
What a cool tie.
I love to design clothes, too.
It's a suit that looks like a painting. It's wonderful. Hey, this is what happened to us when we arrived here. Wow, it is. We separated just like that when we walked in front of that screen.
Yes, my screen. With the new technology of photographs, I can capture the stages of movement the normal eye does not notice. Like capturing the foot here, and here as it moves along.
And like in your painting of the dog on a leash.
Yes. Oh, no, Mia. Not again. Oh, that lady and dog are always on the go. They never stop. Here, doggy. Come on, doggy. Doggy, come on. The dog, wow. They're not moving now, but they look like they're moving. Yes, my daughters, Light and Propeller, particularly like this painting.
Your daughter's names are Light and Propeller? Wow, what great names!
Yes, my daughters are a celebration of the future, just like my art. Oh, it seems like 1 minute everything was slow, with horses and wagons, and now everything is speeding like a train. So many new inventions, cars, electricity, airplanes, telephones, and soon the world is moving forward at a fantastic pace. We electric street lamp is like our muse.
It shines like I
Shines
can
so we
really
can
see the light moving out.
moving out.
You see, I painted the movement of light. Electric flashing
Oh.
trains. Red, green. Dink, dink. Look up. Stop. One of my poet friends has begun his poetry reading. It's called Freedom of Words. You hear? Vibrant blue. Speed. Flash. Zoom, zoom, zoom.
Poetry.
That's
That's
like
a
how we
we
spoke
spoken
when we
word
first
for
got
shot
here.
here.
Fun.
Sound. Futurist art is about doing things in a bold new way. The world is changing fast, and so can art. It can be surprising and unusual and unexpected. Like this.
Senor
Senor
Balla,
Balla,
I want to have a futurist party myself. Oh, thank you. Let's go, Eddie. Yes,
Yes, Eddie. Thank you, Senor Balla. Have fun at your banquet. Goodbye. Punch, steal,
kitchen
sink.
Zoom. 1, 2, 3.
Vroom, vroom.
Orange,
Orange,
dang.
dang.
Look
Look
at
at
me.
me.
Zing. Lamppost, ABC. You, me,